Hello, welcome to BackToCoding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about what is RecyclerView. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. When you display a large number of items in a scrollable list, most items are not visible. For example, in a long list of words or many news headlines, the user only sees a small number of list items at a time. Or you may have a dataset that changes as the user interacts with it. If you create a new view every time the data changes, that's also a lot of views, even for a small dataset. From a performance perspective, you want to minimize the number of views kept around at any given point, memory, and the number of views you have to create, time. Both of these goals can be accomplished by creating somewhat more views than the user can see on the screen, and cache and reuse previously created views with different data as they scroll in and out of view. The RecyclerView class is more advanced and flexible version of ListView. It is a container for displaying large datasets that can be scrolled very efficiently by maintaining a limited number of views. Use the RecyclerView widget when you need to display a large amount of scrollable data or data collections whose elements change at runtime based on user action or network events. To display your data in a RecyclerView, you need the following parts. Data. It doesn't matter where the data comes from. You can create the data locally, get it from the database on the device, or pull it from the cloud. A RecyclerView, the scrolling list that contains the list items. An instance of RecyclerView as defined in your activities layout file to act as the container for the views. Layout for one item of data. All list items look the same, so you can use the same layout for all of them. The item layout has to be created separately from the activities layout so that one item view at a time can be created and filled with data. A layout manager. The layout manager handles the organization layout of user interface components in a view. All view groups have layout managers. For the linear layout, the Android system handles the layout for you. RecyclerView requires an explicit layout manager to manage the arrangement of list items contained within it. This layout could be vertical, horizontal, or grid. The layout manager is an instance of RecyclerView.layoutManager to organize the layout of the items in the RecyclerView. An adapter. The adapter connects your data to the RecyclerView. It prepares the data and how will be displayed in a view folder. When the data changes, the adapter updates the contents of the respective list item view in the RecyclerView. And an adapter is an extension of RecyclerView.adapter. The adapter uses a view holder to hold the views that constitute each item in the RecyclerView and to bind the data to be displayed into the views that display it. A view holder. The view holder extends the view holder class. It contains the view information for displaying one item from the item's layout. A view holder used by the adapter to supply data, which is an extension of RecyclerView.viewHolder. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.